Good morning and welcome to another Fun Friday video from 303 Tech. I'm Clint Larson. Hey, today we're going to be talking about your Microsoft 365 subscription and what's included. I know a lot of people think that they have the Microsoft 365 and it's just for email, or it's just for document storage or OneDrive or stuff like that. But it's a whole lot more than that. I mean, you have a whole lot of capabilities that you can add on as well, but let's just talk about what's included. So if you have video conferencing for your team members, that's already included in Teams. If you want someplace to collaborate on documents and document storage and that kind of stuff, it's included in Teams. If you need additional document storage, you have SharePoint, and SharePoint has a whole bunch of stuff that you can automate workflows and take care of all kinds of things inside the organization. So if you are on a Microsoft 365 subscription and you have other services like Dropbox or Zoom or GoToMeeting or other things, you might want to stop and take a look and see, is there an opportunity that I can save money without having to buy these additional services because they're already included in the Microsoft 365 subscription. There's also other things that you can add on too, like voice conferencing. So you can have conference calls, video calls, audio calls with people outside the organization, as well as your own internal phone system. And I know we talked about this a little while ago. So for an additional $20 a month, you can get a phone line for everybody or for a person. And you can have audio conferencing and video conferencing for them to have video calls and audio calls with anybody that they want in the world. So, and yes, if you wanted to have that on an actual handset, a desk phone, there are phones out there that support that, or a headset, or whatever you want. So, we want you to maximize your services with your Microsoft 365 subscription. So when you start thinking about what can I do or how can I reduce costs or stuff like that, start taking a look if you're paying for extra services that you could incorporate in your Microsoft license, or that's already included for that matter. So anyway, if you guys have any questions or need some help negotiating that, please let us know. We're here for you. Remember to like us and follow us. Thank you.